Many is a time I've been mistaken, and many times confused. Yes, and I've often felt forsaken, and certainly misused. But I'm alright, I'm alright. I'm just weary to my bone. Still, you don't expect to be bright and bon vivant, so far away from home, so far away from home. I don't know a soul who's not been battered. I don't know of a friend who feels at ease. I don't have a dream that's not been shattered or driven to its knees. But it's alright, for we've lived so well, so long. Still, when I think of the road we're traveling on, I wonder what's gone wrong. I can't help it, I wonder. What's gone wrong? And I dreamed I was dying. I dreamed that my soul rose unexpectedly and looking back down at me, smiling reassuringly. I dreamed I was flying high up above. My eyes could clearly see the Statue of Liberty sailing away to sea. And I dreamed I was flying. We come on the ship they call the Mayflower. We come on the ship that sailed the moon. We come on the age's most uncertain hour and sing an American tune. But it's alright, it's alright, it's alright. You can't be forever blessed. Still, tomorrow's gonna be another working day, and I'm trying to get some rest. That's all I'm trying. Is to get some rest. Thank you.
That's awesome, man.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome. Well, thank you.